By exercising proper wildlife practices, we can all be good neighbors to shorebirds and other coastal wildlife. Sanibel beaches are the perfect spot to live and vacation. This barrier island sanctuary is home to a diverse population of people and wildlife that call these beaches their home. A place to raise their families. Sharing the beach isn't always easy. We may unintentionally harm wildlife and their homes. While we play on the beaches enjoying life, they struggle to survive. Florida shorebird species like the snowy plover are declining due to habitat loss and disruption of nesting activities. Luckily, we can all share the shore and help these threatened shorebirds survive. Do not feed wildlife. Feeding wildlife endangers shorebird health and safety and may also attract predators to nesting areas. Never chase wildlife. Forcing birds to fly wastes precious energy reserves used for nesting and migration. Secure trash that may injure or entrap wildlife. Leave the rack line undisturbed to provide shorebirds food and critical habitat. Give wildlife lots of space. When adult birds are scared, they may leave eggs and chicks vulnerable to predators and the hot Florida sun. Keep off the dune vegetation. Beach vegetation protects wildlife and our homes from coastal erosion. Join the flock. Together, we can be good neighbors and stewards to all wildlife that share the beach. On you we depend to save our feathery friends.